Senses. How Smell Works by Sally Morgan. Our smelly world. Smell is one of the five senses. Our senses tell us things about the world around us. We use our sense of smell when we cook food. Our five senses are hearing, sight, smell, taste, and touch. Some things, such as clean clothes and scented flowers, have a pleasant smell. Other things, such as rotting food and garbage on the street, smell horrible. Some flowers give off a strong scent. Noses. Noses vary in shape. There are long noses, short noses, wide noses, and turned up noses. What shape is your nose? How would you describe the shape of these noses? You have a nose with two openings called nostrils. You smell by breathing in through your nostrils. Stand outside and sniff the air. What can you smell? Words you can use to describe smells include clean, fresh, musty, sharp, sweet, sour. Imagine you sniffing these towels. What might they smell like? How do we smell? Smells travel through the air to your nose. The smells tickle special detectors inside your nose. These send messages to your brain so that you can identify the smell. We feel hungry when we smell food being cooked. Perfume has a pleasant smell. When we spray perfume, tiny droplets of it float around in the air. The droplets travel through the air into the nose. Food and smell. Smell help us to decide if food is good to eat. A lovely smell makes us want to eat something. We can use our sense of smell to check if a pineapple is ripe. A bad smell stops us from eating some foods. It is a warning that they will taste horrible and might make us sick. Fresh bread smells sweet, but bread that smells sour or moldy is not safe to eat. Milk that is spoiled also smells bad. Smell and taste. Your senses of smell and taste work together. You sniff food before you put it in your mouth. As you chew, your food smells travel upwards into the back of your nose. These cupcakes smell good enough to eat. When you have a cold, your nose gets blocked. You cannot breathe through your nose, so you cannot taste your food. Can you taste food when you hold your nose? Warning smells. Some smells are warnings. The gas that we use for heating and cooking has a smell added to it. This means we can smell the gas if it escapes. We smell smoke and flames before we see them. Some animals release strong smells. Often, this is a warning to other animals to stay away. If people or other animals come too close to a skunk, it sprays them with a revolting smelly liquid. Some animals release smells to attract other animals. Animal noses. Animals have a sense of smell too. Many, such as horses, dogs, and cats, use their noses for smelling. The proboscis monkey has a very long nose. The word proboscis means nose. Some animals smell with other parts of their bodies. Snakes have nostrils, but they smell with their tongue. This snake flicks out its tongue to smell its surroundings. Animals and smells. Animals use their noses to find food or to find their way home. Some animals hunt other animals by following their smell. This tiger is smelling the tree trunk to pick up the scent of other animals. Many animals know their young by their smell. Each animal's young has a smell that is different from all the other young animals. Mother seals use smell to find their pups. Expert sniffers. Some people have a really good sense of smell. They may be able to tell the difference between as many as 10,000 different smells. Perfume makers need an excellent sense of smell. Many animals have a better sense of smell than people. Dogs have large nostrils and may smell detectors in their nose. A sniffer dog at work. Sniffer dogs are trained to find explosives and drugs by their smell. What's your favorite smell? Often, we link a smell with a memory. Have you ever visited a beach and smelled the sea? Perhaps you have visited a farm and remember the different animal smells. Try to remember the smells of different places you have visited. Can you describe the smells? The end.